Yo, this is who I make videos for. From the team Go Mode, it's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when you do your YouTube research, right? Even really with any social media or whatever, but especially when it comes to YouTube, one thing that all of the experts tell you, the gurus, they're like, yo, you need to find your target audience, right? You need to know who you creating content for. You need to attract those people, blah, 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 right? And even with this channel, sometimes I'll be like, well, damn, dude, am I attracting the right people? Am I putting out the right videos for the people that I really want to reach? So I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna make a video telling the YouTube world, the YouTube universe, you know, who I make videos for, right? Even though they always tell you to check your data will tell you, right? Who to create videos for and all that. Well, I know who I want to watch my videos. Like, I know when I'm sitting down and I'm recording this, I know the ideal person who I want to actually watch my videos. And I know it might seem crazy, and this probably don't even make sense to the YouTube algorithm and the data, but when it comes to people I make videos for, I'm not making videos for the woman, for the man. I'm not making them for the young kids or the old people or Gen X and Gen Z and all that shit. No. I'm not making them for black people or white people. I'm not making videos for gay people, straight people, trans people, whatever, right? I make videos for the online entrepreneur. I make videos for those that want to be able to work when they want, right? From wherever they want. Like, that's what I make videos for. So if you're the type of person that's like, you know what, I want a way to be able to work from my laptop, or I want to be able to, if I want to work at midnight, right, and get stuff done, like, that's the lifestyle that I want. And I know a lot of people make videos about, you know, easy ways, and I do too, like lazy ways to make money online. But no, it's for people that want to work, right? They have no problem grinding. They have no problem putting that work in, right? But they want to do it when they want to do it. They want to have the freedom to be able to travel and bring their laptop with them so they can get work done. Or if they want to meet with clients or whatever they're trying to do, they can create their own income, right? They're in control of it. These are the types of people that I create videos for. True go-getters, right? People that's like, yo, like I don't have a problem working, because I love to work. I love to grind. I love staying busy, right? But my whole goal is to be able to do it on my time, right? Like, do it when I need to do it. And that's what excites me about, you know, being an online entrepreneur, right? Because people don't understand, like, yo, I'm creating thumbnails at midnight. Like, every night I'm creating thumbnails. I'm editing videos at 11 at night, right? I'm posting videos early in the morning. I'm scheduling videos out. I'm creating little YouTube shorts and Facebook reels, right? I'm doing that, but I'm doing it pretty much when I want to, right? And that's like the people that I want to watch these videos, the people that want to put themselves in that position to be able to make some good money and to grind, be creative, hit those financial goals, and be in control, right? Because that's what most people, they have no problem really working hard, right? Most people don't. But you got those people out there who's like, oh, I want to be able to just like buy a course and then money just appears in my bank account. No, I know people like that. Watch my videos, but my videos aren't for you. They're not for the people that's like, I want to make $5,000 a month, but every video I see with a strategy, I think it's a scam, right? I can't stand those people that actually will search how to make $10,000 online, how to make $5,000, how to make $20,000 a month, right? And then everything that comes up, everything, they call it a scam. Oh, that's not realistic. Oh, that shit can't work. Oh, that's too hard. Oh, that's gonna take too long, right? My videos aren't for you. They ain't. I don't give a damn. They ain't for you. They are for the people that want to be in control, the online entrepreneur that has an idea, right? And they're not afraid to bring them ideas to life. They're not afraid to put in real effort, right? Because their goal is to be able to work when they want, where they want, and be able to create a sustainable income. This is what I'm working so hard for, and hopefully this is what my viewers are working for too. So YouTube, if you really want to know who my target audience is, I just told you.